So, welcome back, friends. So, I will be solving the numerical based on lifting gear. So, the first one I have taken a little complicated one with the derrick, which is fitted with purchase, and the cargo runner, which is leading to lead block, and the heel block to the winch. So, I'll repeat the question. What we have is a derrick fitted with two-fold purchase used to disadvantage is to lift a load of 26 ton. The cargo runner wire is rove through lead block on derrick head and he block way to the winch. So there are two sub question. What will be the size of the wire, which is 6 into 24, to be used when factor of safety is 6 and friction 8%. Sub question 2 is what will be the efficiency. So the first I will be drawing a rough diagram and then I will solve the numerical based on the numbers. So first will be the rough diagram. So suppose this is the derrick, which is fitted with two-fold purchase. So I believe everyone know two-fold purchase. We have sheave, number of sheave 4. So this is how I did, and this is your weight. So number of sheave is 4. So question is two-fold purchase used to disadvantage to lift a load of 26 ton. So this is 26 ton. The cargo wire, runner wire, is rove through lead block on the derrick head. So suppose this, here we have a lead block. So cargo wire is run. So here it is run. Okay. Lead block on the derrick head and heel block way to the winch. So here will be your heel block close to the foot, way to the winch, which is always down. This is winch. So this goes here and this goes to the winch. So I'll name it. So this will be our E1, this will be E2, and this will be E3. Okay. So once again I will go through the diagram. This is the derrick head. Okay. With two-fold purchase. Two-fold purchase has 4 sheave and equal to 4, which is used to disadvantage to lift a load. The cargo wire runner wire, the cargo runner wire is rove through the lead block, which is on the derrick head, and the heel block, which is on little down on the derrick, to the winch. So we have E1, E2, E3. So what we have is two-fold purchase. which is equal to advantage. For two-fold purchase we know n equal to 4, but it is reg to advantage, so VR will be n plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Weight 26 ton. This is all given. 26. So first we will calculate effort 1, which is weight plus resistance upon VR, okay, which is equal to 26 plus 4 into 26 into 8, 500. This 8 is friction upon VR is 5. So by calculation we get 6.864 tons. Okay. Now FS2, cargo runner going to the lead block. Okay, but here it is going in opposite direction from lead block to the winch. That's the E2. E1 we calculated. Now E2 is going in opposite direction of the weight. Weight is going upward, E2 going downward, so it will be lead to disadvantage. Okay, so formula is same here, but since it is lead to disadvantage, here n will be 1. So this is, so now automatically this effort 1 will be our weight, which is 6.864 plus VR, which is 1, sorry, not VR, n. When rigged to disadvantage, VR equal to n equal to 1, disadvantage. So n weight into friction, which is equal divided by VR is 1, so it will be 7.413 ton. For E3 weight is moving in this direction. E2 will be our weight, and E3 it is moving in opposite direction, so it is also again lead to disadvantage. So our weight will be this 7.413 plus number of sheave n is same 1, by 100 upon 1. Again it is rigged to disadvantage. VR equal to n equal to 1. So now we will calculate efficiency. sorry for the pen. Efficiency equal to, when we have multiple efforts, so we know the formula MA1 by VR1 into MA2 by VR2 into MA3 upon VR3 into 100 because efficiency will be in percentage. Okay, what is MA? Mechanical advantage is load by effort, that is weight by effort. I mean load by effort, simple in terms. So if we calculate MA1, the initial load what we had is 26 load by effort we got 6.864 upon 5 into 6.864 upon 7.413 upon 1 into 7.413 divided by 8.006 upon 1 into 100. If we calculate all this, it will come to 64.95%. So our efficiency will be 64.95. So I will go through one more time. Since it is a twofold purchase and number of shift will be 4, it is rigged to advantage. VR will be n plus 1. So VR is 5. Given weight is 26. For effort 1, we know the formula W plus R upon VR. 26 plus 4, that is number of sheave bracket weight into friction by VR. Similarly, we calculated for E2 and E3. E1 was rigged to advantage. E2, E3 where load were in the opposite direction. Load and effort were in the opposite direction, so they were rigged to disadvantage. For efficiency, we calculated, we multiplied E1, E2, E3 by 100, we get 64.95. And we know the formula for mechanical advantage is load by effort. So MA1 by VR1 into MA2 by VR2 into MA3 by VR3 into 100. By all calculation, we got efficiency is 64.95%. We know braking strength equal to 6 into safe working load. Braking strength equal to 6 into safe working load. So the braking strength for 6 into 24 for 6 into 24 is 20 d square by 500. So 20 d square by 500 equal to 6 into this safe working load. It's very important to figure. This will be the last effort, E3. So it is 8.006. If we cross multiply, we get d square equal to 5 calculator. This square equal to 1,200.9, d equal to 34.65, which is approximately mm, but we know diameter cannot be like this, so we go to diameter will be approximately equal to 36 mm. So this will be our diameter. So there are similar question based on threefold purchase, and there will be different numbers. So using this we can solve the same format. Thank you. So friends, so this is the much elaborated diagram. You can see the twofold purchase where number of sheep is 4. It is hanging. Okay. So it is the cargo runner wire is passing to the lead block. From lead block it is passing to the heel block, and from heel block to the winch, which is at the ground. Thank you.